Hey guys, it's Gecko, and today I have my window open, so if you can hear any noise, I do apologise. I'm bringing you my June 2020 unboxing. I am really sorry. I can't remember the theme, but the spoiler card will tell me. Okay, the theme is a different kind of magic. This is the spoiler card. It was absolutely lovely. I'll put the spoiler card there. This is, looks like on the inside. So let's just dive in. First of all, I have the Bone Season socks. Okay, I haven't read the Bone Season, and there's a car outside. But these are very pretty. So they're really soft as well. Really lovely and soft. Can you not? It's really hot, so I've got my window open. Even though it's like raining, it's still quite hot. These are really lovely. Okay. And they're really soft, that's why I'm going to put them. I'm not going to show you my feet though, because that would be weird. Oh, they're really comfy. I have an itchy eye. Oh dear. Okay, they're really comfy. They were designed by Team Fairyloot, which is nice. What is this? There's always time for tea. Oh, okay. So this box. This is a very pretty box. Look at that. That is very pretty. Let's see what's inside it. Without breaking the box would be nice. So this is a loose leaf tea infuser. I'm assuming you do this. Dunk it in the tea. Oh, I don't know how to use tea infusers, but this is really cute. Deep, I don't know if you can see that. It says drink me, like the potion. I do apologise for the noise. I really like that. I think that is super cute. Like dunk it in like a little tea bag. Oh, a tea infuser. Yes, use that over the side. It's really cute. It's genuinely adorable. Wow. Back in the box. Alice's teapot. I do love this. I actually adore that. Another fan when it comes to magic is Alice's adventure. Oh, that's mad. We're including this super fun woodland tea strainer to make your tea drinking game even stronger. Just make sure to watch out for those rabbit holes. Okay. Next is this. Oh. Elemental coaster set. I love coaster sets. They did one for witches and it was just stunning. And they also did one for a sci-fi inspired one. I love that. Designed by Nova and Tail. This is there. If I can figure out how you open these. Oh. So they are this shape, and you've got this one. I don't know much about elemental magic, so I have no idea what fandoms these are from. I don't even know if I'm holding them the right way up. So that's fun. I'm assuming they're all the elements. There's only 4 of them. Because elemental magic always leaves out spirit, which is one of my biggest gripes with it. Because spirit is the best. It's not really an element, but they kind of use it in elemental magic, so. This is a very pretty box though. And these are. Oh, it's from Avatar The Last Airbender. Haven't seen it. Sorry. Ooh. Little envelope. I love their envelopes. The Starless Sea iron-on patch. I'm currently reading The Starless Sea and I genuinely love it. This is designed by Dustin Pages and it's the bee. It's very, very pretty. I love this. I love that it came in one of these. It's so adorable. I keep these because I'm like, if I ever need to give someone a gift in a little like envelope thing. This was designed by Dustin Pages, yes. Yeah, a book that blew them away. So nice. An art print. I have no idea who these people are. Oh, this was inspired by Blood Air and it was designed by ARZ28. I don't know who they are, I've never read it. Very nicely. Oh, there's a book. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. So this is The Gilded Ones by Namina Fauna. Outcast by Blood, Warriors by Choice. It's very, yes, I have a light over there. I'm sorry if I've just blinded you. Are we girls or are we demons? Are we going to die or are we going to survive? In this bold and immersive fantasy, a young heroine fights to save a world that would dare tame her, and discovers she is her own fiercest weapon. This is stunning. This is Gilded Ones include scenes of violence which some viewers may find, which some readers even may find distressing. This is really nice. It's got a map. I love a fantasy with a map. It's genuinely a beautiful, beautiful book. Oh, okay. We're so excited we include 2 books in this box. This gorgeous exclusive edition of The Gilded Ones by Namina Fauna tells us such a beautiful story, and we cannot wait for you to read it. It also features a foil-filled cover and sprayed edges. The book will become available to the general public in spring 2021, and we're so happy that we were able to bring it to you a lot earlier. That's so cool. Look at that cover, it's so beautiful. Like, genuinely, I'm so excited to read this. This will go in the pile of books that I really want to read. I'm going to put it down because the covers are so reflective. I'll put it this way. Everything's really shiny. I will put this on the pile of books that I intend to read, but will take 7 years to actually get around to reading. Ooh. So many things. I love these little purple things they include, but they do get everywhere. Before we do that, I'm going to... Oh, there's another thing. Doesn't necessarily do the tarot cards. But there is something else. Right, we'll do the tarot cards in a minute. And a little envelope thingy. This is The Shadows Between Us, inspired enamel pin, designed by Jez Hawk. And it says on it, love is an excellent motivator to kill. Which is... See that? it's from The Shadows Between Us by Trisha Levenseller, which was their February book. Or it was included in their February box. That's one. And then we have the Ace and Two of Swords, which are from Throne of Glass and designed by Gabriello Bujduzo. Okay. I'm just making sure I haven't missed anything. No. Everything's there. And now we get to the book and the stuff that's in here. Oh, the quote on the bottom of this. Yes, very happy with that. With the quote on the bottom of that. This is the bookmark that comes with the matches the spoiler card. Do that every month. Just grab these. The rest of my tarot cards sort of live over there. I'll put them together. Right, so I've got the Fairy Scoop, which includes interview with the author of the book. This is the July theme, which is Resilient Royals. It has a candle in it, which I'm really excited for, and a cushion cover. But the book included in this month's Fairyloot is Forest of Souls by Laurie M. Lee. I have no idea what this is about, probably elemental magic. There are names here I don't know how to pronounce. Is there a pronunciation guide? This is signed by the author. I'm really sorry, I don't usually have that light on. It's just that I didn't turn it off. So there's no pronunciation guide. I do apologise for butchering these names. I have no family, no home, no talent other than fighting. If I am not to be the shadow, then I am nothing. I am tired of being nothing. After years of training to become the Queen's next royal spy, Saoirse Ashwin's plans are derailed when shamans attack and kill her best friend, Sango. And then Saoirse somehow restores Sango to life. Unveiled as the first soul guide in living memory, Saoirse is summoned to the domain of the Spider King. For centuries, he has used his influence over the Deadwood, an ancient forest possessed by souls, to enforce peace between kingdoms. Now with the trees growing wild and untamed, only a soul guide can restrain them. As war looms, Saoirse must master her newly awakened abilities before the trees shatter the brittle peace, or worse claim Siengo, the friend she would die for. Oh. Okay. Get the dust jacket off for a second. That's... I'm terribly arachnophobic, so I don't know if I can actually read this book. It's very pretty. It's a very pretty cover as well. And very pretty. Goodness. But yes, so this is the book. How spider infested is it? I really need to know before I read it, because I don't know this at all. Here's the letter from the author with the main character on it, and how it's different from the actual edition. And Amy is our read-along host. The standard edition is the standard cover with yellow and orange text. So instead of it being, oops, green, it's yellow-orange. Okay. Describe it in 5 words. Best friends versus ancient forest. I like that. Laurie lives in Wisconsin with her husband, kids, and a friendly pit bull. Please, please show the UK government that one. But yes, so this was the June? Yes, June 2020 Fairyloot. I really like the socks, they're really comfy. I love all of it. I'm not too fussed about the art print because I have no idea who these people are. To be fair though, I don't normally imagine characters, so they could literally look like that. That'd be fine, I don't know. I really want to read this, but I need to know how spidery it is. Because your boy, completely arachnophobic. But yes. But apparently it's really good, according to every other author who's read it. But, every author, I should say, not every other author. But yes. It looks nice. Oh, there's a glossary. Are they going to actually pronounce their names? No, apparently not. Where is it? Let me see if there are any. Oh. I do enjoy the fact that the names I can pronounce are the ones that have pronunciation guides and the ones I can't don't. Oh dear. But yes, this is a very beautiful cover though. She kind of looks like Chloe from Books with Chloe a little bit. It's very pretty. I think it's the hair. It's very pretty. Yes. So yeah, excellent. I'm gonna put these somewhere where I can throw that away because we don't need them. I'll put the rubbish in over there and do what I normally do with this stuff. So yes, thank you for watching, I guess. I never really know how to end my videos. But yes, thank you for watching. I hope you have a lovely day and I will see you next time. Bye!